Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Northwest Kicks, and yes, I'm back at it again with another mail time. I got a couple unboxing for you guys, and so let's get started. Yo, opening this box, you already know what kind of type of shoe it is from the box alone. These are the Jordan 1 NRGs, and I'm so excited that Jordan Brand re-retro these from the Complex Con, and they kind of switched it up a little bit, but it's all patented leather upper. We got the gold, white, and black. I'm so excited to rock these. These are, oh my goodness, these are beautiful. The patented leather, I think the hardest part is seeing it crease, but hey, it gives character. I'm so excited to rock these. Going into the section shoe, man, let me tell you about the story about StockX. I left the bid open and I totally forgot about it. And then when I came home, it says you purchased these shoes, and I was kind of upset on the price that I bought it for. I bought it for $360. Obviously when they came out, the price dropped immediately. Now these are the Jordan 8 OVO. I mean, I'm a big fan of Drake and his music and what he stands for, but your boy paid $360 for these Jordan 8s, and man, I basically got robbed. Pretty sad. So don't forget that you have a bid on StockX. Always check. But I'm excited to have these in my collection. These are still pretty fresh. Jordan 8s. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know definitely got to pay attention on StockX. Lesson learned. But anyways, it is a great comp. The OVO 8s are pretty dope. I think this is gonna stay in my collection for now. And then the ones are, the NRGs are just, yeah, they're just staying in my collection for good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the video, and if you liked my last video. Yeah, until next time, you know what time it is. We out. Peace.